Alright everyone, welcome back to Joe Man's Land. I hope you're having an amazing day. Today we're going to be talking about the leaked Nikon rumor that just came out today, all about the Z8. Oops, they did it again. I know what you're thinking, I just put out a video like an hour ago. I know, I'm sorry, I'm not trying to inundate you guys with content. But this was just something that came up on a live cast I was on earlier this morning, and I thought it was worth diving into on this channel. Weather is truly horrendous out today, the conditions are bad, but that doesn't matter because we're gonna give you the news. Well, the rumors of there being news. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into this newest rumor. So this rumor was published on March 8th, 2023. The Nikon Z8, what we think we know so far. Again, think being the key operative word here. Here's a recap of what we think we know might be coming for the Z8 camera, with a few small details I received recently. This is good. Okay, so this is based off some details that whoever wrote this received. The Z8 was described to me as a hybrid between the Z7 and Z9, similar form factor to the Z6 and Z7. EVF, improved autofocus, 61 megapixels. It's going to be a megapixel beast. It's not at all a Z6 III. Oh man. Oh man, Rick. And the price in Europe, they're anticipated to be anywhere right around that 4,500 euro mark. What is that in Canadian dollars? 9 billion Canadian pesos. I'm kidding, it's this number. I'm not good at math, it's this number. But they're thinking it will be released before the summer of 2023. All right, these are some interesting rumors to say the least. Let's find one other spot. And just so you guys know, this is what the weather looks like right now. It's snowing, it's crappy, it's brutal. All right, folks, well, let's wrap this one up here. I think it's an interesting article. The guy who wrote it is very reputable, so he wouldn't post an article like this unless he knew something and really believed it. So I think it's exciting. I think anything that signs that Nikon releasing a new camera body is something that as an Iconian, we should be enthusiastic about. Z8 might not be the camera you're waiting for. It certainly isn't for me. I'm waiting for the Z6 III, but in the comments below, please tell me which next Nikon full frame camera body you are waiting for and why. Also, before summer is a timeline. That's great. That's not too far off in the near future, so I think there are some things for us to be excited about. Anyways, folks, let's wrap this one up here. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and remember to take beautiful photos every single day. Don't do it for the views, do it for yourself. I look forward to seeing you all in the next one. It's kind of spooky around here in the winter at Centennial Park. It's a skate park here in Calgary. The only people I've seen go by are people walking home from work and a couple cyclists. So, I don't know, kind of a cool spot, a little bit eerie.